Welcome back, viewers. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Check in, people. Check in. Big Super. I take a walk. We have a look on the one-time Prospect Beach. You remember that famous, beautiful beach of the whole of Jamaica? Every holiday. Kingston, all of the parish them you can think of. Every holiday then leave and come down, come to this beautiful, see the main road up there, so people, come down to this beautiful, beautiful beach here. Well, we just are giving a shot. We might not talk, we just make us observe and make us look on the one time beautiful Prospect Beach, you know, and tell me what you think of it. It erode up here now, you know, and stuff, and it not maintain like that, but you still have people do business there. Them try to keep it clean and them try to keep it nice and decent. You'd have a sign out of the front, but me not see the sign maybe the further in. I'm going further in. Me take a look. So stick and stay. Big Super just gonna walk the grounds at the one time Prospect Beach. Yeah, man, so we're up on the grounds at the one time Prospect Beach, and we look on the grounds, we have a little stage here, so we see like things keep now and then. The water still out there look fresh and nice, and we have this gentleman right in front of us here. And tell me something, you know control the whole operation at the beach?
Yeah, this beach over there from a long time, you know, Prospect Public Beach, and it was a nice beach, you know, and it was up and running, so it did feces and things was coming in the beach, people say, and people were stopping.
Oh, so you find that through the sewage plant,
sewage plant,
the further up the road, it damage the beach.
Damage the beach, and price was they block it down.
Okay.
So anybody bathe there, then bathe on their own risk.
Yeah.
So you know, to me born and go around here, I mean, people still have bathe.
Yeah.
We just come in and start clean it up.
Yeah.
And start doing the thing and start make it up and running again. You understand?
Yeah, man, I mean like that.
I know it was a good beach and things like that. So I really make it feel. I just keep doing that. Keep
the beach going. Yeah, man, me I tell you. And people remember the beach because I go walk around the compound. So you have a little shop here, you have a little like a shop and bar?
Yeah, me have a little shop here. Yeah. The hut.
Yeah, the hut.
We sell little fish sometimes.
So people say the hut here, yeah?
Yeah.
So a man still can come on a Prospect Beach. Him still can come sit down and relax.
Yeah.
Enjoy the view of the ocean.
Right,
and if you want a wash off, him take it at him own risk.
Yeah, man. Me have a wash off. Me have tank if you want, they can get a wash off.
Oh.
You buy the water.
Yeah.
I mean, like, somebody want a wash off, they get a wash off.
Yeah. I mean like these benches where you bring at the place, you know, so them can recreate and stuff, you know.
Yeah. The beach,
so
at the beach really, and them from the start down here, then we see them come around and they drop off the bench. You know?
And them, so them encourage you to keep the thing.
Them drop off the bench.
Yeah, so them drop off them bench and stuff here. That is nice because you want me know.
And run a back too. I have some run a back.
Yeah, me go walk around there and look and thing, you know. So that young lady is like the bartender.
No, I mean, I first she come here and help me because I have that pressure out.
Oh, yeah, there's a pressure. I look at that. When I go feature it and people are going to remember Prospect Beach, and like how you have it now running, you see, are like 7 days a week or how do it go?
Well, sometimes people work.
Okay.
You know, but then the people really can get lazy. So what we mostly do, they're on the road and do some more work, you know.
Yeah.
Carry Higgler.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we lock up during the week sometimes.
Yeah.
All the time.
But mostly on weekend.
Sunday is a holiday, it's a must.
It's a must.
Yeah, Sunday holiday. So and people come now.
Yeah, I see that because I pass through and see that. And I see you have a stage, so you look like you keep on one little stage show, keep running down.
That's what we love.
That's what you love. What the I name? Byron. And Byron, you know, say a lot of people now are going to tune in because 1.5 million people follow me. And them are going to see the beach. And maybe they want to shout up on your phone and say, Byron, You know, so we want forward for some fish.
Yes.
Wednesday we want forward for some fish. Sunday, when you get some fish, I will come in.
Yeah, right.
You have a phone number where them could link the eye and call the iPad.
Yeah, man. 524-1125.
524-1125, Byron.
Yeah, Byron.
So
more time man come camp, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man come and say, man, 2 days when in family.
Yeah.
We can come and them spring, we give them the beach.
Yeah, and them enjoy them. Yeah, so for them do them bring tent. Oh, yeah, say to me.
Yeah, man,
because I want nice look environment for come camp, you know.
Yeah, man,
because since you are talk to me, you know, me feel like me that camp out down here. You understand? Like the family. You get them the kitchen, yeah, so them just cook. And you know, so nobody now trouble nobody around and so. Yes, because it look, and maybe them come and keep stage show for them and music them up and things. So Byron, I love where I go on. I go walk around the complex and make the people them say, keep up the good work. You understand what I say? People like you, we need more in St. Thomas. I hope you strive and the Lord bless you and you flourish.
Me I tell you the truth, them around here they really rob.
No.
Them joining on the help.
Yes, I know St. Thomas people them. Yeah, and God bless. Yeah, God bless people them. So big super dip on the ground, people. And we, yeah, man. We talk to Byron and we are look on the look the hut. So the name right here. So the name right the people. It name the hut, and we are enter inside of the hut. And him look at that the year, and we tell him to turn on the music. So him have a nice little place, and if you want, you can play a domino and all these things. And him have a little glass case, and him have juice in him fridge and all these things. So him thing look jiggy, people. And so all who used to the one time Prospect Beach and thing. So wait, hold on man, more you can beat. You can beat John? More you give me 1 2 minutes. Hold on man. Give me 1 2 minutes step on the drum because you know so me always want to book a man who can play a drum.
This are the band. Playing gas.
The one that be loud. Okay, so I them beat at the Kunuma.
Yeah,
I Kunuma with them man call it.
Yeah, man.
Yes, that, yes. So me love that. Me love that.
Guys come in and play.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So a man have all him look set up and thing and he want to keep it round here. Yeah. He can't keep it.
Then do that.
And big up that why you hide yourself. You say hi to the world, you know, man. Make the world know you know. Yeah. And what you want to say? Cause your father do a good job around here. No, and thing, you know, you must can endorse your father and you have to tell your friends them at school. Where you have to tell them, say no, say boy, so my father take on the whole beach and I do him thing. Eh? Talk up the things, man. Say so big up one of your teacher them.
Big up Miss Palmer.
Alright, Miss Palmer. Bless up yourself. Leave me get every talk people. You big up Miss Palmer. So we are walking around the beach people and me tell you, me glad me walk come down here because me never know when me go video this morning and the Lord just say walk down a Prospect Beach and take a look. So people, as you hear Byron I say, the beach with the filter plant where they make up at the scheme, I mean now I just put the mats together now to figure out now what really happened to the beach and make the beach erode. It's a development, sometimes it come at a cost, you know. People, it come at a cost. Development come at a cost. You see them make that scheme up there, then put in a sewage plant. And for some reason, I don't know say it enough. Me and you know the history of Jamaica when it comes to sewage people and sewage plant. And you see, me just get the fullness why the beach I go down, you know. The government have to lock it down because they won't allow people to come swim in that condition there. So, you see the nice beach, you still have people in there that swim, people can look down there so. You still see a man down there so I swim and I enjoy himself. And thing. So me I try to show you say people still enjoy the water. The man say people come here now and camp, you know, you give him money and you use him restaurant, you use him facility and people come and camp out. So people down there so people, the viewers and sub, a lot of people down that side there I enjoy the water same. So see VIP, so that look out there where you see we out there so that look a gazebo looking white top thing there over VIP that, the famous VIP. And we ride on the waterfront and we take a 360 and we just look. We look back over to the fishing village over there so people where the fisher folks them is that are behind Brown's guest house. Out to the fisher folks them there. So Big Super is on the ground and we take a look at the famous Prospect Beach. And we just look and see say it's still alive, it's still well, and it's looking good. I'm glad to know that somebody could have taken it up in honor. And as me I say, the authorities, them watch my channel and they monitor me. If you could have get that sewage plant where erode the beach fixed properly. So therefore you can, because the beach still look nice and good, you know. So if you fix the plant properly, that means it won't no overspill. People will still know can come back to the beach. And people will come back to the beach and enjoy them one time pride and joy. My viewers and stuff. So we have feature today. We feature the old Prospect Beach. We walk the grounds, people, and we make you see it even have a nice little garbage bin. And all who used to come at the beach, they gonna remember it, they gonna love it. They must say big super beach road, Prospect Beach in St. Thomas. Yeah, they gonna know it. And it have all of the facility. The gentleman say rent them out to people. People come and camp on the grounds. People come and just have a wonderful fun day, enjoy himself. Him and him daughter there. And you see, him say, governments people, them donate benches and all them things because them want to see them pride and joy come back. You understand what I say? Them want to see them nice beach. And me as a St. Thomas going on, we want to see one next outdoor kitchen. We want to see the Prospect Beach come back to its pride and glory. So we are going to walk around this side, people, and we are going to show now around the area. And all who remember this beach, you understand me? I like how he might keep the grounds nice and clean and thing. And him say work during the week and thing. I never come here to talk people, you know, hear me a chat. I just come to look by the beach and just silent up. But we come on so much history and so much things happening right out here on Prospect Beach and Big Super. Go around and we'll show you people then at the water. Have fun, people. So the beach, them say have fun at your own risk. So the beach is still alive and well. Still alive and well. And Big Super 360 the building. And we are come round to the front of the beach. And I tell you, all who remember that beach, nobody hesitate. Just give the video the old thumbs up. You understand? Give the video the old thumbs up. So I go back round to this side, people, and where I go end the vlog. But it's a nice look at what I make. Yeah, it's a nice, beautiful what I make. Come round from the beautiful Prospect Beach. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell. People, watch out the videos them. Watch out the ads them. That help with the algorithm. Comment, give the video the old thumbs up, and just do the right thing. Big Super. Adventure and lifestyle in full swing. Peace out.